Guys, in this video we've got no electrics, it's dark, but we've got a associated what's it called?
MGT.
Associated MGT Nitro. It's my buddy's. He's just bought it. It doesn't really work, but we're going to get it running. We're going to try to anyway. What the hell's happening in here?
I don't know, I'm a plumber.
Somehow that's got to go in there somehow. Alright, we're going to work on this thing in here because at least we've got a little bit of natural light. Oh, look what just turned up. The Armour Kraton 6S. So we'll be doing an unboxing and a review on that car soon. Is it going to be as good as the Traxxas? We will see. So this truck here is actually the same as the Thunder Tiger version. This one's associated. It just needs a few little bits and bobs doing it to get it running. The radio system is this old school. What the hell's this? Does anybody even know what that is? So yeah, we've got to get rid of that. We're going to put on a new radio. Tyre wise, we need some foams in there and we can rob some foams out of there. I was going to put the whole wheels on there, but the hex is like kind of meh, not going to fit. Then if we get all that lot done, we're going to try and get this thing running, maybe take it for a little blast and see if it actually works. Alright, so the quickest way to get these foams out of the old wheels is probably just to cut them out. Alright, so next I've got to get these tyres off of here. Jesus, this rubber is tight. Ugh. How the hell did you get these tyres on here, man? What are you doing, Snib?
I'm proving that I can get tyres off using just my bare hands.
So these tyres are so stiff, they might not even need any glue putting on, but I'm going to give them a quick degrease anyway, just in case. Alright, so I've got these tyres all cleaned up now, so now I've got to try and get one back onto the rim. Try and get these foams in there. Next, actually there's no air holes in here, so we've got to drill that out. God, I've never known a tyre that is so stiff. He's got the tools out. Alright, we're on. Alright, so we've got the tyres back on, so next we've got to add some fuel tube. Alright, so next we're going to ditch this dodgy radio and install this car show one. What the hell is this in here? Oh my god, look at the size of that receiver. So we've got channel 1 steering, channel 2 throttle, and channel 3 for the shift. Alright, that was easy. Oh, and this one here for the switch. Alright, so next we need some power. Ideally it's going to want a hump pack, but this is flat as a pancake. We've got no electrics at the moment, so we can't charge it. So for now, I'm just going to plug this in there and just see if that works. Alright, moment of truth, here we go. Oh, look at that, steering works the right way, throttle works the right way. Alright, so I've settled the endpoints now, so we've got full steering both ways, we've got throttle, we've got brakes, and we've got the high and low, or this is reverse I think actually, forward and reverse. And also guys, if you put this position into the middle, it's not in any gear at all, so you might be able to have it sitting there and just rev the engine, that would be pretty epic. Alright, so next we're going to put in a new glow plug, and then I think we're really ready to give it a go. Guys, I think we're ready to try it out, so let's put a bit of juice in there. It's alive! Oh, and look, at the same time the power's come on. Check it out. Oh, stinks. Alright, so just charged up this hump pack, so now we're going to plug him in and see if it's got a bit more power. I think it's in neutral at the moment. Is that there? Hey, it's alive! Steering stop.
Putting more one way than the other.
Got trim, there look, steering trim. Oh, second gear! Hold on, boy. Hey. Oh, tumble wumble. Oh, we're going backwards. Funny makes you racket, doesn't it? Oh! I think it's getting a bit warm, dude. That's how you do the old temperature check, not that we're NITRO experts. Oh, she's warm.
No, there's still spit left.
Yeah, but
If it totally dries.
the heat probably hasn't risen yet. Oh, guys, the receiver packet's old. It didn't last long. It cut out. And it needs a new one. So that's going to be it for this video. But soon, I'm going to get my Savage out. I've got to get the Savage out for a play. I know I keep saying it. I've got to do it. I've got to find the right place to run it. We're going to give the thing a little blast. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon.